Welcome back. So now that we actually have a way to kind of create an auth user, let's do a little bit more to this create function. First of all, I want it so that when I kind of see this in Swagger or when people want to use this, instead of right now where they're saying /auth, I want them to say auth/create. Now it's just a name, but still I like that. So I'll add right here after the post, I'll just put in name of and then the method itself. Then it'll add that create for me in that method right there. Another thing I want is I want this to authorize, so that you have to kind of authorize yourself in order to even get to this method right here. So let's just try and restart the server and see this in action. The server is running. Let's try and jump back and refresh the page. Now you'll see the create is here, and you'll notice there's actually a key here now so that we have to log in. So if I try to actually create now and I make a new Jinx, and hopefully now it'll say you're unauthorized to do this. And there we go, you cannot do this unauthorized. So I actually have to log in now. So let's start by logging in with LUL right here to make this work. So I'll just try this out and I'll put in LUL, which is the user I have already. And I'll do 123456, which is the password I've used. There we go, and I'll execute this. There we go. So now I get a token back and we'll use that token like we've done so many times. And just to see that we can actually now authorize ourselves. And we'll put in that authorization token. Go down here and we'll try again to create Jinx, and now hopefully we can create Jinx because now we're actually logged in. So that was kind of setting up a few things for the backend. So now that that is all ready, let's try and jump to the front end code actually. And here I want to start generating a new area inside our auth area right here for creating new auth users. So I'll say ng generate, I'll say component, C for component, and I'll say in the auth folder, I want to make a new one called create, let's just call it create auth user right here. Like this. Let's just generate that component, and hopefully now we get that folder up here so we can start generating these auth users right here. There we go. Now we have the component available, and also the auth module will change to kind of expose this new component. And then the final thing I want to do is jump into the auth routing module to say if I go to the path right here, we'll create a new route. We'll say if we go to the path of create under auth, then we end up in the create auth user component. There we go. And let's actually just align this a little prettier. Now we kind of aligned this and we have a route to go to this new create auth user right here if we go to the create under auth. And then now we just need to next lesson start using this guy and actually using our service to start working with creating an auth user. We have to set in a little bit of forms and stuff like that, but we'll do that next lesson. So let's just end it right here. We have the code available, and we actually also made a new endpoint with a new name right here, or new request area that we can call in our web API. So that's it for this lesson. See you next time. Bye.